If you want to use ChatGPT for Google and see AI answers beside your search results, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it step by step. This is a super useful browser extension if you want faster research, instant summaries, and a smarter way to browse the web. And if you enjoy easy tech tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful videos. All right, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by searching Chrome Web Store in the address bar, or by going directly to the store if you already know the link. When the store opens, use the search bar at the top and type ChatGPT for Google. Now look through the search results and find the extension called ChatGPT for Google by cloudHQ. Make sure you choose the correct one because there may be similar extensions with different names. Once you find the right extension, click on it to open the extension page. On the extension page, you'll see the Add to Chrome button. Click that button to begin installing the extension. Chrome will show a confirmation pop-up asking if you want to add the extension. Review the permissions if you want, and then click Add Extension to complete the installation. After that, the extension will be added to your browser. In many cases, you may see a small icon appear in the Chrome toolbar, and the extension may also start working right away. If needed, you can pin it for easier access, but the main setup is now complete. Now let's test it. Open a new tab in Chrome and search for anything you want, like a question, a topic, or a product name. Once you hit search, you should see regular Google results, and beside them, you'll also see ChatGPT responses appearing in the sidebar or alongside the search page, depending on how the extension is displayed. This is the key benefit of ChatGPT for Google. Instead of only getting standard search results, you can also get AI-generated answers at the same time. That makes it much easier to compare information, get quick explanations, and save time while researching. If the sidebar doesn't appear right away, make sure the extension is installed properly and that you're signed in to the right Chrome profile. Sometimes refreshing the page or opening a brand new search can help trigger it. Also check that the extension is enabled in your browser settings. And that's it. You now know how to install ChatGPT for Google by cloudHQ and use it while searching the web. It's a simple setup, but it can make a big difference if you use Google every day. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.